have a dumpling. Show your dumpling. So we're gonna open it today. Open it. Oh, I got purple.
I got the purple too.
Oh, I got purple. I wish we get the glitter one.
The glitter one, yeah.
It's,
Because the glitter one is really pretty.
yeah. Bibili pa si mama ng ganito. Pag magaling daw ako magsulat. Sana pinay niya ako ng butter. Ganun. Uy, look! This is new. We buy this in $5. So good to squish. Look at the case. It looks like the real one. Look at the case. Show the case, Clay. And look. Sunny side. You show yours. And see for part 2.
Yeah.
Bye.